Good day everyone. Today this is going to revise the some topics in the third module, that is steady state error. As I go through some students, I interacted with some students and they got some doubts in this type and order. They are getting confused, and also on the steady state errors. So we'll go on brief on these topics. What is type and order? Type is nothing but type number. It is also called as type number of system. Type number of system. This is defined for only open loop. This is defined for only open loop transfer function, that is g of s. Open loop transfer function g of s. It is defined only for open loop transfer function g of s. So if I consider one g of s, it will give you the number of poles at origin, or the poles at 0, whereas order of a system is highest power of denominator of transfer function closed loop transfer function or open loop transfer function. The order is defined for both open loop and closed loop transfer function, whereas type is only defined for open loop transfer function. So type gives number of poles at the origin are 0, whereas order gives the highest power of denominator of the closed loop transfer function or open loop transfer function. It is nothing but total number of poles in the transfer function. So as we discussed this, I will take one example. For example, s plus 4 divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 6. This is the transfer function. So this is g of s. Open loop transfer function. So this open loop transfer function g of s. So in this function I have 3 poles for the denominator, that are s equal to 0, -1 and -6. So these three are the poles. What are zeros? S equals to -4. I have only one root in the numerator, so these are zeros. If I plot the graph S-plane, this is S-plane. In the S-plane, this is imaginary axis and this is real axis. So this is my origin, right? So I got one root, that is one pole at origin. So the poles are indicated by cross mark and zeros are indicated by circle. So I have one pole at 0, so here it is one pole at -1. If I consider this is -1, this is -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. So I have one pole at -1, this is -1, one pole at -6. So I have 3 poles have plotted on the graph, and I have 1 0 at s equal to -4. So at 4 I have 0. Since I have to indicate with circle, I am indicating this. So in this graph, so I have one pole at origin. So only what is type? The number of poles at origin will give you the type number. So this is considered as type 1 system. And what is the order? Total power of denominator. If I multiply this, I'll get in the denominator, I'll get it as s plus 4, yes, this is s into s square plus 7s plus 6s. So if I multiply, I'll get like this. So s cube I'll get in the denominator. So my order is 3. So number of poles in the denominator or highest power of s will give you the order. The number of poles at the origin will give you the type number, right? If I have s square here, then it comes to 2 poles at origin. So this is type 2 system. If I don't have any pole at origin, means for example, I have s plus 1 divided by s plus 6. Then I have one pole and 1 0, one pole at minus 6, and I don't have any pole at the origin. Since s power 0 is there here, 1 I can consider s power 0 as 1, so there is a 0 type. So there is no one pole, not even one pole at the origin. So this is called as type 0 system. Thank you.